Hello again. That's a canning funnel. That's a 10 by 10 inch canvas. This is some Anita's white metallic. These are the colors I had earlier, which are probably insignificant at best, and I will add more colors because I thought there were more when I started the camera recording, but there are not. So I will just add my favorite colors. Some hot orchid. Oh, sans the long Floetrol booger. Some purple flash from Folk Art. Some cobalt blue metallic from Artist Loft, which is very turquoise metallic. Some golden iridescent gold. Some fluorescent pink from Folk Art. Where's my purple? There's some dioxazine purple. Ah, there's some electric blue from Arteza. And I want my amethyst. There it is, my amethyst from Artist Loft. Can I have it? Yes. I can have a little bit of it. I'm going to throw some more Anita's white metallic in there, and then a dollop of cell activator and some peacock metallic from Decor Americana. And what am I going to throw around the edge of this? I am going to grab some black. I believe that is Anita's black metallic that I hardly ever use, so it's going to come in really handy right now. I didn't put any orange in there, and I've got this red orange from Color Art, excuse me, Folk Art, my mistake. This works better with white metallic, white enamel in it. But it might work just the same. I'm suspecting that it could. I'm going to hit it really quick with a torch. Hope something better than what I see comes up, but I'm pretty sure it will. I'm going to grab a smaller edge catcher, I hope. Yes. Got some really nice lacing. I don't know if it'll stay or not. I guess that's the side we start with. So you use an edge catcher, let the paint go over to the edge. Spread it all out. Looks like it's going to be pastel, which is kind of a surprise. Squeeze the edge of the canvas against the edge catcher. Bubbles away. I can always use the paint to cover my missed spots. I just took the paint off the edge catcher and let it move down. This is going to be pretty. Very pretty. Very pastel, but very pretty. Now, what do I want to do? I want to grab a straw. Probably grab something to scrape that paint off with. My edge catcher. And then fix it. I'm not sure I've ever used that Anita's metallic for a puddle pour, or puddle, whatever you want to call it. All right, I'm done. Thank you guys for all the wonderful comments that keep my morale boosted. This is just absolutely gorgeous. I don't know if you can see it in person, but after I'm done torching to release the bubbles caught in the paint and maybe some patterns, I will try and give you a close-up. It's just absolutely perfect, in my opinion, as far as accidental art goes. The colors are fabulous. I should stop torching now, but I'm liking what I'm seeing come up. It's so many pretty little cells, and the colors are just my favorites. I know you thought they were all bright, but they're not. So that's a funnel pour, and anything that I might need to cover. I have got plenty of paint on my edge catcher, and I'll be cleaning up after this. I love you guys. Thank you for all the wonderful donations that keep me painting all this time. Let's zoom in best I can. I like the bird head right there. Where? Right there. He's flying into the picture. It's pretty simple, but I love it. All right, you guys. Take care of each other. Take care of yourselves. My paint pouring recipe and my cell activator recipe are under show more under the video, underneath my email address, where you may contact me with the hashtag and the file number if you are interested in purchasing an artwork. Please give me a thumbs up. Thank you for sharing my videos. Thank you for watching them longer. Check out my link tree for Pinterest, Instagram, Twitter links, my Facebook groups, Expressionist Art Studio Gallery Appreciation Group for students, and oh boy, The Gallerist is the top link on the link tree, which is the blue link underneath the video, and it's clothing made in Montreal with its investment quality, and got some of my favorite designs on it. If you have questions, feel free to ask. If you're looking for my Amazon link, it's on the link tree, and my 2 books are on it. Volume 1 and 2 are Because I Can and Unlimited Possibilities. All kinds of other great stuff, and if you shop there, it's at no added cost to you, and it helps me out. I have over 2,000 videos, actually 2,100, more like 2,200. But if you have a question and you need a link, let me know. I'll be happy to give you a hand. Or you can look for yourself. If you go to my YouTube channel, you'll find the community board and list tomorrow's video. And you can look for playlists, all playlists, creative playlists, and you'll find them separated into topic, genre, and by the 100. I have spring clothing also underneath the video, all over print leggings and all over print t-shirts. Anywhere you decide to shop, my designs helps me continue making tutorials for YouTube. Thank you guys for being here. I post 7 days a week, and Friday, Saturday, and Sunday night at 10 p.m. also. What else can I tell you? I think we're all done. I give classes at the house in Spring Hill, Florida. They're one-on-one, and use the email address to inquire. Okay, I love you guys. Take care of each other. Take care of yourselves. Bye for now. This is Priscilla Batzell in Spring Hill, Florida at Expressionist Art Studio Gallery. Loving you. See you anon. Bye for now. Priscilla out.